Hi friends, welcome to GV Tech Talks. Friends, what do you do if you get a doubt while you're working on a computer or don't understand how to do it? Call people who know their computer and ask them how to do it by showing them our screen. In the same way, what if there is an assistant available digitally and help us complete our work by giving us instructions on how to do that work? Hey Google, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. The application that I see on your screen is Audacity. Is there anything specific you would like to know about it?
I want to mix the music with the voiceover. How can I do this in Audacity?
Audacity has a feature called AutoDuck that can automatically lower the volume of one track when another track is playing. To use AutoDuck, first select the music track you want to duck. Go to the Effect menu at the top. Select AutoDuck, and then select the track containing the voice that will trigger the volume reduction.
This is how it works. The new and insane update from Google. Today, we are going to see this exciting feature of Google AI Studio. In this video I will show you how it works and how we should use it. Google AI Studio, Stream Realtime is just like a teacher or friend who is with you and helping you to complete your work. We can show the screen and ask a question about our work. It will answer and help us to complete our task. Okay, let us test this. First, you need to open Google AI Studio in Chrome and log in with our Google account. And then, click the Steam Realtime option in Google AI Studio. We will see three options: Talk, Webcam and Share Screen. When we have a doubt in any software, open that software, share that software window through the Share Screen option and ask questions. Google looks at our screen and instantly gives us step-by-step instructions on how to do it and helps us complete our work. Let us try this. I have opened Audacity, and I want to mix the music with the voiceover. Let us ask Google on how to do this. Hey Google, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. The application that I see on your screen is Audacity. Is there anything specific you would like to know about it?
See how Google analyzing our screen and trying to help us to complete our work. Yes, I am on Audacity. I have two tracks, one is music and another one is voiceover. I want to mix the music with the voiceover. Music volume should be auto-adjusted based on the volume of the voice, means if there is no voice then music play normal, and if there is voice, then the music volume should be decreased. How can I do this in Audacity?
Okay, it sounds like you're working on a project with music and vocals in Audacity. You want to automate some volume adjustments. Is that right?
Yes, exactly.
Audacity has a feature called AutoDuck that can automatically lower the volume of one track when another track is playing. To use AutoDuck, first select the music track you want to duck. Would you like me to go into more detail? Great. After selecting the music track, select AutoDuck, and then select the track containing the voice that will trigger the volume reduction. Is there anything else I can clarify?
Is this correct, Google?
Yes, that's the Effect menu.
Yes.
Now, do you see AutoDuck in the list?
Yes.
Select AutoDuck, and then select the track containing the voice that will trigger the volume reduction.
హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు జీవి టెక్ టాక్స్. ఈరోజు మనం మరొక కొత్త టాపిక్ గురించి నేర్చుకుందాం.
Oh, that's great. Thank you for your help. Let us try another example. Hey Google, can you see my screen?
Okay, I see your screen. It looks like you have a blank PowerPoint presentation open. Do you want to do something with it?
Yes, I am on PowerPoint. I want to create a photo album with my photos. I don't want to copy-paste each photo in slides. How can I easily do this in PowerPoint?
Okay, you want to create a photo album. Would you like me to guide you through the steps to create a photo album in PowerPoint?
Yes.
Okay. First, click on the Insert tab on the ribbon. Do you see it?
Is this correct?
Yes, that is correct. Now, in the Images group, click on the Photo Album dropdown. Then select New Photo Album. After you do that, a dialog box will appear. Have you done that?
Yes.
Great. In the dialog box, click on the File/Disk button to select the folder containing your photos. After selecting the photos, you can customize the layout and theme of your photo album in that same dialog box. Then click the Create button in the dialog box to generate your photo album. Your PowerPoint presentation should now have a series of slides, each containing one or more of the photos you selected. Do you see the photos in your presentation now?
Yes. Thank you for your help. We can take help for any application to complete our task. Google analyzes the screen and guides us step by step to complete our task, just like a person guiding us sitting beside. Google AI Studio has many other features, like chat, video generation and starter apps. I will show these in the next videos. Hope you liked this video. Please share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.